How to add money to EQ Bank. Log into your EQ online banking account using your credentials. Navigate to the Transfer or Deposit section. Choose the option to add funds or transfer money in. Select the account from which you want to transfer funds into your EQ Bank account. Enter the amount you wish to add to your EQ Bank account. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. If transferring funds from an external banking account, enter the necessary information such as the account number and routing number. Double check the entered information for accuracy. Authenticate the transfer using your preferred security method such as a password or security code. Once confirmed, the funds will be added to your EQ Bank account according to the bank's processing timeline. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.